We got this TV mount off of Amazon, and we are going to go ahead and install it. All right, so this comes with all the instructions you're going to need. It also comes with a level, which is great because I forgot to bring mine over. And it comes with all the mounting hardware and everything right there in the packaging. So let's go ahead and find the stud we're going to mount it on and get this thing installed. All right, so I've got the first part that's important done. What I did is I used the stud finder to find the stud. If you don't have it, you can use the nail method where you come along, find the most dense sounding part of the wall, then you use the end of a small nail to find the edges of that stud. But this is where the stud is, so I put the first one in here, mainly so now I can use the level that it comes with to make sure that this is nice and level up and down, and then I will end up putting the other two bolts that it came with into here, making sure it's all nice and level. All right, that was actually pretty easy, and let me show you the mount on the TV. So if you come back here, of course you put these bars right here on the back of the TV, and then it mounts on this rail, and then you got this little screw here that you put in tighter to keep it from coming off this rail, and if you need to take it off, you just pull the screw back out. We mounted it right into the stud, and although this bracket does not look like it's a whole massive bracket that goes on the wall, this thing actually holds up a lot of weight. Definitely think it's a great wall mount. It moves around well. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.